Greetings, lords and ladies of YouTube land. This is TerraFreeze. We are back. This time we have a major problem. I'm going to get a hold of Mojang. I think I got a bad copy of their launcher. I'm not sure. It's putting a lot of my series on hold. I've been trying everything while offline. I've been trying to fix it in every way possible. I fear that it may be beyond my knowledge, though. As you can see, we were set up for the Nostalgia Series 1.2.6 alpha version. I also have the ability to still edit the profile and change it to a more modern version. I believe we stopped at the release, the 1.0 release. We may have, we may not have. I don't remember. I'll have to go back and rewatch. But simple fact of the matter is we cannot launch anything right now. I've even tried 1.10. I'll open the game directories and go to versions. I have the 1.10 launcher there. I have the executable jar file, the natives. The natives folder seems to be empty. It's not showing anything, it's not doing anything, so I don't know what the heck's going on here on that. So we're going to hit back and back again, and we're going to hit back one more time. My libraries are all intact. I've checked through all of those. I checked to make sure that they were similar to older versions. I checked my assets. All of those have their stuff in it. 1.10. I'm not sure what Legacy is, but it's there too. So, yeah. I mean, everything seems to be fine, but we have all our objects that are still there. Once again, don't know exactly what Legacy is, but see? Not really sure. But whatever the case may be, it's a problem. Because if I go here and exit that out, and I'm still on old alpha 1.2.6. Alright? And I save the profile. There's nothing wrong with that. I'll reopen this profile again, let you guys take a better look. Okay? Game directory, it's in my Minecraft. There we go. Set up my resolution. I get that. Alright, so everything is right. I mean, you even close the launcher. So nothing has changed. I mean, I still have all the snapshots. I'm still trying to use all the beta versions, all the alpha versions. My JavaScripts are enabled. All of that. Everything is set up fine. There's nothing wrong that I can clearly see is causing this to go wrong. And yet I hit play. And it'll stand there and it'll say prepping, and it'll say that for about, a couple of seconds. And then launching. And I let this launch for approximately 8 hours last night. It didn't even load. It would not load at all. I'm sitting here recording and recording and recording. As you can see, it's already been 15 seconds and still nothing. And we're going to look here. I'll wait 1 minute exactly just to show you. I mean, the stuff on the launcher seems to still be working. I mean, you can see everything. You can see all this and all this and all this and all this. Uh, I mean, you can see all that. But the problem is, it's not loading anything. I mean, I can't click on any of these links. Oh, that one worked. We have released Minecraft 1 to fix some security issues, highly updated, recommended older versions. Older. So it's still not working. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Alright, I'm going to move my little box to show you. And I'm going to expand it here. Alright, and you can now see what it says. I click older, nothing happens. It's going to sit there and just show me more stuff and more stuff and more stuff. We're going to keep going back. And I'm going to keep going back and back. And you can see that all this is still nothing like what we want. It's all 1.8 stuff. 1.8 stuff. And if you look, let me increase my screen a little bit larger. I'm going to go ahead and just encompass the entire screen here, so that way you guys can see everything. Alright. Now, in all these, it still says removed Herobrine. I don't understand. Like I say, even if I were to try to download some of these other ones, even if by clicking like 1.7.10, watch. I'll go back one more. Maybe not. One more. 1.7.9. Let's click on it. And we're waiting. And waiting. And waiting. Let's click it again. Nothing. You can see that there is nothing going on there. So obviously it's something with Mojang. Something is off. We're not able to use past versions of Minecraft anymore for whatever reason. I don't know. I was really starting to enjoy my nostalgia series, and I really miss it, and I want to continue to play it. But I can't do that. I mean, I don't know if I was blackballed by Mojang, or if I was just got a bad launcher, or what the deal is. But I'm going to check it out. I'm going to report this bug to Mojang, and we're going to see if we can get it fixed. And you can see it still says launching. Even through all that on the internet that I showed you, it's still launching. And it hasn't brought up 1.2.6. So I need to see what's going on. right now, we can't play any Minecraft. About the only thing I can play, and it doesn't even last for maybe 30 seconds, is my MYM. So something is going on terribly wrong with Minecraft right now. And it's not the computer, because I have AVG, I have Malwarebytes, I have Super Anti-Spyware, I have multiple spyware and malware protection as well as virus protectors on here. I even use the standard Minecraft. Standard Microsoft firewall. So I have no idea. It's possible, likely, that I got a virus somewhere, somehow. Possible, but highly unlikely. With all of my software that I use to protect against viruses and malicious software and against corruption to files and all that stuff, I don't see a way that I picked up a virus. Now, I might be wrong, but I just don't see it. Now, I do have this. This is a clients and plugin launcher, and I was able to download this, and it has all of my old like Terra and Minecraft stuff and all that on it. It has the mods and has everything that I need, just in case. I could probably plug all that stuff back in, and I'm sure it would work. I have a client right there that works a little bit. Let's see. My servers, I still have my servers, my backup, which is my Cauldron server. I have my Bucket server. Has all the Cauldron and everything in it. Has everything I need. It launches. Everything works still there. This is all 1.7 stuff. I have a regular plain server, no mods. It's just Bucket. Nothing major there. So I have all that, and then I have my worlds. I have copies of worlds. That's the tutorial world from Paul Soares Jr.'s tutorial world, which, I had planned a sweet little preview of stuff in, but that obviously didn't work out exactly the way I was wanting it to, because no Minecraft. So, yeah, we're having a bit more of a problem than I initially intended. And so this is going to be, some time before I can do anything. But what I can do right now is, if I go right here, let's see, versions 1.7.10, 1.7.10. I can execute that. So I have a version of 1.7.10 ready to go. If I need to execute it through there. Usually I'd be getting a error saying that you can't execute that, but for some reason something's going on. Minecraft or whatever is stopping it. So let's see, let's go to downloads. Let's go to I have my Forge Bucket server. I have Minecraft Forge 1.10.2 right there. Installer. So I could install it if I got the damn server up and running. I got a 1.8 server. I mean, I've got the stuff here. I've got everything. But nothing will load through the Minecraft launcher. You know, so I've got a problem. I have got a major problem. So what I've got to do is I've got to take some time, like I say, record other things while I'm waiting. I just wanted to update you guys and let you know what was going on. I've got a 1.10 series coming down the pike because I can download a what do you call it? Client, a hack client, and I can use that temporarily for the time being to give you guys some Minecraft content. This is what I'm looking for right there, Modo. This is a jar file and a batch file, install file, and all that mess. So we'll be able to use that. Now let's see if this works for 1.10. Okay, we're going to move the launcher up right there a little bit so it inside the window. We're going to hit edit profile. We're going to go to releases and let's see, snapshot. So it may not have worked, but let's check our game directories. Let's check our versions. Modo, it's there. Okay, so let's open it. There's nothing on the inside. So what I need to do is open this. Ooh. Okay. Sorry, Minecraft was flashing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close my batch file. I'm going to move that out of the way. We're going to close that, and we're going to close Minecraft. Next thing we're going to close is downloads, and we are going to take the jar file and copy it in there, and we're going to take the JSON file and copy it in there, and we're going to hit X, and we're going to exit out of WinRAR, and let's relaunch Minecraft. It's a good thing I still know how to manually launch Minecraft. Otherwise, I'd be in a terrible, terrible bind. Let's see if that did it. Release Modo. There it is. Okay, so save profile. It should update right there. And it did. Thankfully for me, I still know a few tricks. 1.10.2, here I come. So I'm going to launch this video and then a 1.10.2 video after that of what all I can get on and all that mess. So essentially we're going to do a single player world, because right now I don't know of any 1.10 servers that I can get onto. I've asked MYM. I'm waiting on a response from them to approve my application for their 1.10 Anarchy server. However, I don't know that they'll allow me to use this client with it. They pretty much said that no. But here's the thing. If I turn off all the hacks and I leave it alone, I don't use anything, I don't play with it, it'll run just like a regular Minecraft launcher. So yeah, I mean, it won't hurt anything to use the actual launcher itself. However, the mods and the hacks and all that, using all that stuff, that will hurt things, and unfortunately we don't want to do that, because we don't want to get banned from any server anywhere. But is what it is. Even if they discover that I'm using the launcher, it could result in my being banned. But I'm not going to just sit there and take Minecraft laying down. Me not being able to use anything except a hack launcher. That's ridiculous. That's crazy. I can't do that. I have to be able to have a Minecraft launcher that works. So I may just end up with my launcher right now being just this. Alright. And opening up a single player world and creating a single player world. Now I'll meet you guys back here once I'm ready. But right now I'm gonna call this video right here.